All right, so we just finished installing all of the screws in this Larson Platinum storm door, and we're getting ready to just flip these trim covers back over. So what you want to do is just rotate them, take your thumb and snap them into place. You should hear a popping noise and then it's attached. If you have an issue where you don't hear the popping noise, or you're trying to push on these guys and they just won't click into place, reach out to the factory, because those trim strips can be defective. So they'll send you some new ones out in the mail. You just go to larsondoors.com and they'll send you these new trim strips. You hear the popping noise? That's what you want to hear to snap these guys on. So do both sides, the latch side and the hinge side. There we go. And that's how you mount the trim strips on the Larson Platinum storm doors.